Hi, welcome in the shop with James. Today, I'm going to show you how to hang drywall by yourself without a helper. In this case, there was some water damage, so the house had to be repaired. First, we start off with the drywall lift. You can get this at your local rental store, or even some of the home improvement stores sell them relatively inexpensively. Whichever choice you choose, it's a great option. Next, we go to measure our pieces. Thankfully, this was roughly a 4x8 opening. However, in most cases, you're not going to have a perfect opening. You're going to need to cut some and trim some. And even with this, I had to trim the edges a little bit. As you can see, it's very easy to lift the drywall pieces up into place, hold them securely while screws are attached. Prior to running my screws in, I mark each floor truss or rafter depending on your home construction. That way, I can see where to put my screws once they're covered up by the drywall. Just like that, another piece is up. It's really just a case of measure, cut, and lift. Oh yeah, and throw in some screws too. And as you can see, sometimes you need a little adjustment. Once all the pieces are up, take time to clean your floor. In this case, it's concrete floor because the flooring had been removed. Otherwise, you might want to have some floor protection because it is a rather dusty job. Here, I'm applying the floor protection after I've swept up any and all dust and dirt. While the mud can be scraped off of concrete, it's really kind of a pain in the butt and some of it you'll never get off. So depending on what kind of flooring you're putting down next, you may not want that under there. And just like that, we're ready to start mudding. Come back again and we'll show you that on another video. If you like our videos, hit that like button, leave a comment, and hey, subscribe so you can see more of our great videos. Thanks everybody, see you next week.